We show additional experiment results in this video. For the story in an apartment, the player first sits using a cell phone, while the two virtual characters use a PC, and cook, respectively. The player then goes to the kitchen to help deliver food to the dining area, and all people come to have dinner. After that, the player and one character wash dishes, and the other character makes coffee. In the end, they grab some coffee and chat in the living room. For the story in an office, after the group meeting, the manager goes to his office, and employees including the player go to the workspace and use computers. The player then goes to print a file, and brings it to the manager's office to discuss with the manager. Meanwhile, the other two employees go to the pantry to deliver snacks to the meeting area. In the end, everyone goes to sit and chat at the table. For the story in a teaching building, the player reads a book, and the virtual character texts the professor to make an appointment. They then buy drinks at vending machines and chat in the hallway. After that, they meet the professor in the discussion area. The player then goes to print a file, while the virtual character goes to set up the laptop for presentation. At last, the player presents the project to the coming audiences. For the story in a makerspace, the player and virtual characters discuss in the hallway about a 3D printing design. The player then submits a printing task and prints the design drawing. It then presents the designs to the other two characters, and they all go to edit the designs on computers after a discussion. A virtual character goes to print the 3D model, and later the player and the other character also go to watch the 3D printing. Lastly, all people sit and chat about the printed model. Our approach dynamically adapts the virtual character's behaviors according to the player's actions. As the player chooses a seat in an event, virtual characters choose other empty seats,